Based in Lexington, it's called Zeekler.com.
Fox 8 has confirmed thousands of people in our area and around the world have put money into Zeek Rewards, a company headed up by Lexington businessman Paul Burks. Today, the Better Business Bureau says if you're invested as an affiliate, you should be concerned. Fox 8's Carter Coyle has been following the story today. Carter, company headquarters in Lexington has been closed.
That's right, and now we know at least 3 federal agencies are investigating what the BBB worries could be a Ponzi scheme. Zeekler calls their investors affiliates and people all over the world who have put money in to make money. Today, Zeekler's website was shut down with no explanation. Dozens of people pulled in and out of the Zeekler's parking lot today. The doors are locked, the closed sign is up, and even this UPS delivery man didn't know what to do with 59 packages, all requiring a signature.
The internet, the website was down with nothing really explained. We decided just to ride down today and try to figure out what's going on. And then we got here and there wasn't a soul here and it's locked.
This couple is just 2 of thousands of people who've signed on as, quote, affiliates with Zeekler and Zeek Rewards. They put in thousands of dollars and recruited 5 others.
But we've got accountants in and responsible people, doctors.
Neil Hendrick has invested the max, $10,000.
I'm concerned, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm halfway. You know, I have faith in the business.
But what exactly is the business? An international online penny auction site paired with a reward system for recruiting new affiliates, who then put in more money for auction bids.
Folks are indicating they're having difficulty reaching the company and having difficulty receiving funds that they have been promised.
David Dalrymple, president of the Winston-Salem BBB, says in 30 days they've had almost 30,000 inquiries about Zeek Rewards.
In 12 years of being the president here, I can't compare that to any level of inquiry.
Inquiries are questions about the company, but the BBB has also had dozens of formal complaints.
From our viewpoint, we've had concerns about potential pyramid and Ponzi scheme for a while.
And that's exactly what's gotten the attention of the North Carolina Attorney General, the Secret Service, and the Securities and Exchange Commission. They're all confirming they're investigating the Lexington business and its CEO, Paul Burks. According to property records, Paul Burks lives in this home, but we've tried to get a hold of him. He did not answer the door. We also tried to approach the security guard in this red Jeep, but he refused to talk to us as well. He's just continuing to circle the block. For now, affiliates are just wondering, will they get their money back after Zeekler is investigated?
Should they be worried? Yes.
Now, Fox 8 also obtained these copies of memos Zeek Rewards released to their affiliates today. One is marked urgent, and it cancels their National Red Carpet Conference in Nashville, and that's supposed to happen this Wednesday. A second memo is called Fanning the Flame. It is encouraging affiliates to stop publishing rumors and avoid Zeek haters. We will continue to keep you updated on all of these federal investigations.